I guess so. I'm going to do a video of the new light fixture that we're going to put in. So I figured we'd do it before first. So this is the back porch. It's pretty dark outside. There's no moon out here. So I'm going to go ahead and flip on the back porch light. So that helps a little bit. So I am right at my back porch. There's my footsie wootsies. So as you can see that this light is not that great. There's a trailer, a tractor, and this is the back fence, but as you can see, you can't see the back fence very well. And you can see the gazebo. I think you might barely be able to make out the shed there. But you can see the visible light is only good for about right in here, which is about halfway. Looking back at the back porch. So like if I was working on or if I was grilling something, not too bad. You can see the camera there. Night vision in the camera. That's cool. And that one. Oh. And that one. We got a couple more that are hidden that I don't really want to show y'all. But anyways, so as you can see, the visible light out here is not that good. We also have a dark colored dog, and whenever he's out, you can't see it all over there. So, again, here's the light. I will say this is a nice looking light. It's attractive, but function, not really. And again, we had this back field that's in the field that's in the back, and there's really not a lot of traffic. We don't hardly get anybody back there, but every now and then we can hear people walking in the back field. It's usually just kids walking around. Hadn't had any issues or anything, but again, if we had I'd like to be able to turn the light on and see this back fence in case there is a possum or a skunk or a raccoon or anything like that, or even another dog in the backyard that might have got between the fence or something like that, just so we can avoid an issue before we send our dogs out. So I'll show you how we fix that. So again, this is the before. Like you can really see maybe to about right there, which is about halfway. So I'll show you how we install this, and then we'll do an after and see how well it lights up. This new one, it may suck, and at least you'll know. So I'll get right back with you. For you, it'll be a matter of seconds. For me, it'll be tomorrow. See ya. Okay, so here we are the next morning. As you see, it's a nice looking light, right? I mean, it has like the Edison bulb. That's kind of cool. So, granted, you could probably get a little bit brighter light bulb. Alright, and just like that, Amazon came in. Nice little instruction manual. Congratulations. Oh, that's cool. So it comes with some anchoring bolts that you can put into the wall. Cool, cool. The remote. Alright, so something I thought about after I took the light off was, if this cord is long enough, I have an outlet right there. I won't need to hardwire this in. So I guess we'll see how long it is, and if that's the case, my wife didn't want me to take down that light. She liked it. I didn't think it was functional, so kind of got in trouble for that. So give me just a second, and I'll unwrap the cord and see how long it is. So effectively I'm saying 4'9". And then you come down here and we pull this kind of straight. A little past 4'9", but maybe 4'9.5". But you can see that that's a straight, like, there's not a lot of slack in that. Just so you know, I'd say 4'9". So I did buy this little plate that will go up and over that. I do have this plugged in, and be careful not to look in this whenever you plug it in, because yeah, it's pretty bright. So here's the cord, and as you can see, it's just barely enough to get up there. So I'm going to talk to the wife real quick and I'll get back with you. Okay, so she's actually pretty smart. So yes, it's not going to fit right here. That cord isn't long enough. I'll get a measurement on how long this cord is, so you will know. But she had an idea that we could just mount it right here, and we could actually turn it sideways so we can see more towards the gazebo and the storage shed, or we can turn it more this way and look more towards the trailer or whatever. But we're gonna wait till nighttime, so we'll see what kind of throw this does before we make any decision. Here in about half a millisecond for you, and so a couple hours for me. We'll come back at night and kind of see what kind of throw this light gives us. Then we can make a more informative decision. So I'll get back with you. Alright, so this is with a LED light, just a regular LED light. Here's how we mounted this. We can still shoot it sideways if we need to. We do have it going into down here. Not 100% happy with the way that looks, but yeah, it is what it is, right? Okay, so with this light, you can see a little bit more. I think before it was about right here, now you can see about right here. See, there's actually a dog out there, and that's the white one. You can barely see him. So now, there we go. So now you can kind of see the whole backyard. I call the black dog out. Go! Damascus, let's go outside, go potty. Alright, shut the door. Alright, so now you can see Damascus. When we turn this off, obviously you can't see him for nothing. He's right there. So, you can kind of see what all that shows. I'll turn it off again so you can kind of see. Alright. So, yeah, you can see pretty good. Alright. So let's go ahead and do the different colors. So this is orange, coral, gold, purple, pink, yellow, orchid, navy, indigo, lime, aqua, and cayenne. So we can do the, it automatically changes. Do the fade. Wish there's a way to slow it down. I'd like this one if it was really slow. This one's flash, and this one's supposed to be strobe. There you go. So, alright. And all that is just some anchor bolts in there into the brick. Just drill some holes, pound those in there with a hammer, and good to go. But yeah, so this way we can turn that more that way if we need to, or turn it more this way if we need to. Oh, there's Bryce playing with the dog. So, alright, I'll put a link in the description. There's like hardly any heat coming off of this. Like, you can feel it, but it's just warm. It's not hot or anything like that. So, but yeah, I'll put a link in the description if you guys want to check it out. I think it's 40 bucks. No, 50 bucks. $49.99. They had one that was just solid white, and actually I think it might be brighter than this one, but I figured this one would be bright enough, and I get the other colors if we wanted to do that. So, alright, let me get these dogs in before I piss off all the neighbors. Now here's actually out in the backyard, just to so you'll kind of see. And this camera doesn't do it as good a justice. It is a bit brighter than what you're actually seeing. Let's turn off the backlight. Appreciate you watching. Y'all comment right. We'll talk to you later. See ya.